Welcome to DIY Your Life. I'm Melina, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make DIY vinegar cleaning solution. Join me. This non-abrasive vinegar solution is a chemical-free and cost-effective way to clean things around your home. The items you will need is a spray bottle, your favorite smelling essential oil, white vinegar, and water. Open your spray bottle and add 1 cup of white vinegar and 2 cups of water. Then grab your essential oils and add 6 to 7 drops to the mix, however strong you want it to smell. Put the top back on your spray bottle and give it a little sideways action to mix it all together. And that's it. It really is that simple to have a chemical-free, non-harsh way to clean everything around your house, so you don't have to go spending extra money on on Lysol or whatever you buy at the store. This is very, very cost-effective, and for a bottle of a gallon bottle of $2 vinegar is so much cheaper than spending $4 on a spray bottle of cleaning solution that's supposed to be cleaning your home. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Give me a thumbs up, show me that you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for daily DIY, organizational, and cleaning videos. Thank you!